Welcome to my channel. Start. In the last 2.5 years that Krishna Pradhan, a Kalimpong death row convict, has been in a Jalpaiguri jail, he has been served 3 judicial verdicts bordering on extremes whether he lives or be hanged to death. Para. In 2023, a trial court sentenced him to death. A review petition in the Calcutta High Court's Jalpaiguri Circuit bench has led to a split verdict on Tuesday, with one judge acquitting him immediately and the other incarcerating him to 30 years behind bars. Calcutta High Court Chief Justice T.S. Sivagnanam will now assign a third judge or form a new bench to decide Pradhan's fate. Para. The case dates back to December 2021 when an elderly couple, Shambhu Chhetri and Maya Chhetri, was found murdered at their Kalimpong home. Their jewelry was also robbed. Autopsy reports indicated they were killed with the same weapon, possibly a kukri. On January 10, 2022, police arrested Krishna, seized a blood-stained kukri and some of the stolen jewelry. 20 people, including government officials, testified in court. In September 2023, a Kalimpong Sessions Court said the brutal and gruesome murder of the elderly, helpless couple fell within the rarest of rare category and sentenced Krishna to death. Para. When the matter reached Calcutta High Court Division Bench of Justices Soumen Sen and Partho Sarathi Sen, the judges differed and authored 2 separate judgments running into 106 pages on Tuesday. In the first part of the judgment, Justice Partho Sarathi Sen did not agree with the trial court findings. He pointed out multiple infirmities, both in testimonies and evidence. He wrote in the order, "I find so many lacuna," adding, "Since the conclusion of a criminal trial is based on the theory of conclusive proof and not on preponderance of probability,